This is the day we have finally all been waiting for. We have the Pixel 7, the 7 Pro in this amazing green color, and the Google Pixel Watch, which we Google fans have been waiting for a solid, maybe decade? At least 6 years. I've been wanting a Pixel Watch since the first Pixel, but we are going to do some unboxings today. First one here is the Pixel 7, and this is in Obsidian. Ooh, it's a beautiful color. I love this frosted aluminum here. Very, very cool. It's about the same weight as the Pixel 6. There is a little bit more of an edge on the top, actually. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's very, very flat, which I really, really like. I'm very tired of the curved glass on the front of the screens. It was cool when it first started, but it's kind of an old, old news now. So I really like this. There's actually kind of a lip there in a good way. So we got matching color buttons with this. I also really like that. This one does pick up fingerprints apparently, a little more. It is darker than the Pixel 6. The obsidian color is different than the dark gray from the previous one, but I think this is going to be a favorite. You see we got those symmetrical bezels, kind of like the Pixel 6, and then we have the same startup screen with the same haptics. I actually really like this size. I'm currently shooting on my 6 Pro, so I can't compare the sizes, but I really, really like this size a lot. This feels more like an XL. I mean, this is a big phone. I still kind of wish Google would go back to a smaller phone and then a larger phone and then a smaller phone, like maybe Pixel 5 size and then Pixel 6 is the XL. But this is a really nice device. This is 128 gigs of storage. It has a 48 megapixel camera and a wide angle. Obviously with 30x super res zoom, that's brand new for Google this year. I can't get into the into the setup yet, but I think this is going to be a fan favorite.